So you're having some congestion, maybe some winter cold sinus issues. Can't breathe through both nostrils. Well, I have a couple solutions for you. And they're good solutions. Solutions that, they're solutions. They work. So, the first thing you want to do is alternate nostril breathing. Okay, first thing, make sure you're sitting up nice and straight. Eeks. So this is the hand position. And it's in. Count of 4. Hold 4. Exhale. Inhale. Then switch sides. Then you switch sides. So it's inhale, exhale, switch sides, inhale, exhale, inhale, switch sides. 3 on each side. Let's do it again. And you want to do that till the passageways open up. It's effective, it works. That's step 1. The other one is using a Neti Pot. I've gone through many Neti Pots. This is from the Himalayan Institute, which I am an initiate of. Pandichi was my teacher. And with this, you fill it with warm water, kosher salt, Himalayan salt, or there's some nasal oil. The only thing about this, for me, is a lot of times it will give me an earache. I used to do it every day. Now, I only do it if I absolutely need to, because I feel like my sinuses are very cleared out from all the breath work I do every day. So back in 2005, I went to my inner engineering program with Sadhguru with Isha Yoga. It was a rather small group way back in the day. And for some reason, I had a little itch in my throat and I kept having this little cough. So Sadhguru sends me a cough drop. A cough drop, a novel idea. And then somehow this was presented, because Sadhguru never did any of the exercises. He always had people teaching them. I'd never seen Sadhguru do yoga before, not the postures. I've never seen Sadhguru do much as far as the physical part of yoga goes. However, he was very physical and demanding when it came to keeping a volleyball in the air before we could go eat. I digress. Whoa. This is the third, number 3. 3 things that work. Okay, and this is the third. Put your hands out like this, and start bringing your legs up. And then you're going to jump. position. Lift the knees as high as you can. And you just do this until your sinuses become unblocked. And it works. If it doesn't work, tell me in the comments, because it has always worked for me. I don't want to make sure this works for you. Namaste.